Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. I am back after a brief break to recharge, and I have a video today about beauty and food and how good nutrition is the foundation for beautiful skin. As many of you have said in the comments, you are what you eat. And if you eat a diet that's high in sugar, or drink a lot of alcohol, or eat the standard American diet, which is high in carbs and low in macronutrients, the effects of those diets are going to show negatively on your skin with things like dryness, wrinkles, congestion, enlarged pores, and acne. So today I'm going to give you a short list of some of the key components of a skin-loving diet, and then I'm going to make for you a delicious salad with skin-nurturing foods. And if you stick around for the end, I'm going to give you a quick update on the little heirloom rose that I bought to put in my grandmother's rose garden. So let's get started. So I'm out here today on my patio in front of this beautiful rose bush, which is having its third bloom. And it's kind of a metaphor for this video today because it struggled. Earlier in the summer, it was being eaten by bugs, and I ended up spraying and spraying and spraying and pruning. I cut a lot of it off. About a third of it I cut off, and fertilized it, gave it some rich, nurturing and nutritious rose food, and it bounced back, and now it's in bloom again. So let's talk about some of the nutrients that are necessary for a skin-loving diet to get you blooming again. First of all, there's omega-3 fatty acids, which help to keep the skin thick and supple and moisturized. Additionally, there's healthy fats that also contribute to more supple and youthful-looking skin, very hydrated skin. And finally, there's vitamin E. Some of the foods that include these fats, these lipids and fats, are salmon, avocado, nuts, and seeds. You're also going to want to include foods high in vitamin C, things like red and yellow bell peppers, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. Also tomatoes, which are high in antioxidants like vitamin C, as well as lycopene, lutein, and beta-carotene. These macronutrients help protect the skin from sun damage. Consider pairing these vitamin A-rich foods with healthy fats for better absorption, like cheese or olive oil. Finally, I want to talk about red grapes, which have a compound called resveratrol, which is found in their skins. It's an antioxidant that can slow your skin's aging process by slowing the production of free radicals, which can damage your skin. So do you want an example of a meal that's got a lot of these skin-loving ingredients in it to give you more beautiful, supple, and hydrated skin? I am going to make for you an autumn kale and quinoa salad with a curry dressing. This recipe is so good, and it's from a website called Once Upon a Chef. I will link the recipe and the site below so that you can check it out and make it yourself. But let's go down to my kitchen and we'll make it together. Here's a quick overview of all the ingredients. Kale, this is dinosaur or lacinato kale. Carrots, chopped red bell pepper, cooked quinoa, which is technically a seed though classified as a grain. Just follow the package directions for cooking the quinoa. This is mango chutney, the flavor base for the dressing. Curry powder, chopped nuts, and these large, sweet red grapes. First, prep the carrot by grating until you have approximately half a cup. Add that to your large bowl. All of these ingredient amounts are about the same, with the exception of the kale and the quinoa. The recipe calls for celery, but I'm putting in cucumber because it's milder, and I grew this one. Chop it into bite-sized pieces. Chop the kale into bite-sized pieces. This is about 2 cups. Add in 1 cup of the quinoa, and finally add in the bell pepper, grapes, and fresh parsley. Now for the dressing. In a small bowl, mix curry powder, a little under 1 teaspoon, a pinch of garlic powder, salt, and cracked pepper. And about 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. We're putting in about 2 tablespoons of the star ingredient of this show, the mango chutney. It has a complex, fruity, sweet, and hot flavor that I love. Now pour in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and stir vigorously. So I just tasted it, the dressing, and I would say that it's very curry heavy. So if you are not that crazy about curry, the taste of curry, then maybe go ahead and add the extra sweetener in it. I think I am going to add just a little bit of honey just to balance it out a little more. First, mix the veggies, then add the dressing. And give it a final mix. Let it sit about 10 minutes to give the flavors a chance to meld. Sprinkle with the chopped nuts and serve. This will keep about 2 days in the fridge, but trust me, you'll eat it up long before it goes bad. Okay, I want to get a bite for a taste test. I want to make sure I get a little bit of everything. Let's try this. I think you guys are going to like this. There's such a nice balance of textures and flavors, like savory and sweet. And the cucumber is definitely a must. Forget the celery. And the grapes, oh, they're perfect for that extra little bit of sweetness that you want in there. And the curry dressing is definitely balanced out. So this is great for a meal. This is easily a lunch, just as it is. If you want to take it over the top, how about adding a little grilled salmon to it? Maybe with a little curry seasoning on the salmon. This would be perfect, perfect. And although it is quote-unquote fall, a lot of places it's still pretty mild. The temperatures are still, like here, it's about 76 today. So it's still a good time to have a salad. It's always a good time to have a salad. Please give this a try. Your skin will thank you. Your tummy and your mouth will thank you too. Well, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you decide to try the salad, please let me know in the comments below. And now, as promised, I'm going to take you over to the rose garden and show you the little heirloom rose bush that I got and planted up about 3 weeks ago. If you'll recall, it came with no leaves and was very small. But let me show you what's been happening with it now. Look at all the leaves. Look at these leaves. It's just been pushing out these leaves like crazy. I know it doesn't even look like the same plant, right? It's been so hot the last couple of days, but it's hanging in there and growing like a little champ. And this is going away this week. All of this. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this beauty from food video and that you will try the autumn kale and quinoa salad. Thank you so much for watching today, and thumbs up this video if you found it enjoyable or helpful, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Also, if you'd like to try another skin-loving winter salad that features roasted radishes, check out this video right here. Thanks again, happy eating, and I will see you very soon. Bye!